Ontology, world model, company brain, LLM wiki, 4 names. One thing, your company's data, centralized and contextualized so machines can work with it. The interesting question isn't what to call it. It's why it might be the only part of your AI stack that lasts. Start with an inversion, the conventional bet, value lives in the AI layer, best model, best prompts. The counter, models are swappable, chat apps are rebuildable. What can't be swapped is the layer underneath. Your accounts, your history, your unwritten rules. The slogan, the AI layer is a commodity, the ontology is the moat. One honest footnote, commoditization is asserted, not demonstrated. What survives is softer. Context outlasts models. So what is this layer? The nouns and verbs of a business, written as structure. Customers, deals, projects, meetings, decisions. The entities. And the relationships. This meeting concerned that account, and that decision changed it. Most companies store this in documents. A fact trapped in one file serves one workflow. Attached to an entity, it serves every workflow that touches it. Prose is for judgment. As operational state, it's a dead end. But my tools are already connected. Here's the tell. Teams with live transcription connectors still paste the transcript in by hand. A connector moves data, not context. It fetches the file, not what the file means. That resolving work, who, what, which account, still true, is its own stage. Skip it, and the model rederives your business from raw exhaust every task. Even if you hand build that context once, it rots. The pattern? The system works beautifully for 6 months. Then a person leaves, a goal shifts, a process is quietly replaced. The context stops matching the company. Nothing errors. The tool becomes subtly wrong, then quietly abandoned. Drift is the silent killer. The problem was never capability. It's maintenance. So, the architecture that matters is a loop, not a warehouse. Events are captured where they happen. An email lands, a call ends, a task closes. Each is contextualized on arrival, who's involved, which account does it change anything, then stored as structure, retrievable. Run that loop long enough and experience accrues. Outcomes and corrections captured as events too. That's the 20-year operator, compounded trial and error, made queryable. 10 agents, 10 private hacks. Every new agent costs more than the last. A shared substrate inverts the curve. The 10th agent gets cheaper. One more requirement, the most neglected. A real system knows when not to act. Deterministic policy, stored as context, which actions are reversible, which touch money, where authority ends. High risk or low confidence, it stops and escalates to a human. Abstention lives in the context layer, so swapping the model never changes what the system is allowed to do. Now, the other side of the ledger. This pitch is sold as well as made. 3 more places it thins. The first you've already seen. First, the fear that vendors will absorb your business blurs transit with retention, which varies by provider, tier, and contract. Keep the hygiene, skip the panic. Second, self-annealing, the ontology that updates itself, is a label, not a mechanism. Who validates an update? A map that corrects itself wrongly is worse than a stale one. It's trusted. Third, nobody prices the maintenance, schema, entity resolution, keeping the edges true. The bet that automation absorbs it. Unproven. So what does the honest version look like? 2 substrates deliberately. Postgres holds what agents do. Entities, events, relationships, state, every fact carrying provenance and a validity window, so staleness is detectable by query. Obsidian holds what agents understand. Decisions, rationale, nuance. The loop closes under one rule. Automation proposes. Validation promotes. Nothing becomes trusted knowledge until a human or accumulated evidence says so. The moat, stated honestly, isn't magic. It's your data, plus how it relates, kept in a layer you own, maintained by a loop you control, with the humility to stop when it isn't sure. Models will keep changing. That's fine. Rent the intelligence. Own the memory.